So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the border color of an image, or I guess around an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, you obviously have to add a photo of some sort to your design. So for this example, I'll just go to the Elements tab right here in the top bar. I'll just search up, how about ocean? Just as an example, I will then find a photo right here of the ocean. Here's my beautiful photo. Now, to add a border, you have to press on the photo, go to the top, press on the border style right here, and then select a style right here. If you want to change the border weight, you can slide this bar to the right or left, making it as thick or as thin as you want. Now, to change the border color, once again, just press on the border, and this little circle right here, where it says border color, pretty straightforward, I guess. Press on that. Now, what you can actually do is select a solid color or a gradient. So you can even have a gradient border if you're looking at that, a solid color border. If you don't like any of these colors, you can go to the little add a new color right here. And you kind of find a spectrum of colors. So you can change it to whatever you want, and then change it to whatever shade you want just by moving this around. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. But that is how to, I guess, edit or adjust the border color around or of an image here on Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.